Hey there, my name is Stephen Bay, CEO and co-founder of EarthUP, and I'm really excited to be talking with you today because we are launching our first theme month on the platform, and that's Energy Efficiency Month in the month of October. And energy efficiency is where my journey in sustainability began. My last company, we completed over 30,000 in-home health and energy assessments. And what we learned what people's problems are in their home, how to solve those problems, and the benefit to the end user from solving those problems. We know a lot of your homes are cold, uncomfortable, too hot sometimes. Maybe they're too dusty and you have a lot of allergic reactions, or too moldy. Energy efficiency can solve a lot of these issues. Energy efficiency can reduce the amount of dust you have in the house, the amount of allergies that you have in your house, while saving you money and improving your comfort. And what we've done is we've created a platform that allows you to start learning and taking small actions to be more energy efficient, and you're going to save hundreds of dollars, but you're also going to reduce your environmental impact by reducing your amount of energy, which reduces your emission. Please let us know if you have questions. We're here to help. Have fun, dive in, and we're really excited to learn from you guys. Thank you.